Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to use serums. Skincare can be a little bit complicated. I totally understand that. There are so many different types of serums on the market and it can be very confusing. But if you are using serums or if you want to use serums, let me give you a little bit enlightenment for you what the serums are and how to use them on the skin. Don't get me wrong, you can use 2 or 3 different types of serums at once on your skin. You can layer them, you can build your skincare routine. So I personally like to use hyaluronic acid serums. I have made a separate video about hyaluronic acid serum long time ago. Oh my goodness, I even filmed that video with my phone. It's because I didn't have the camera, I didn't have the lights those days, but I made a video about hyaluronic acid serum, and if you are interested, I'll link it up here and also down in the description box for you guys, just in case if you're interested. My favorite one currently is from Pure AHA Face Serum. This is from Hyaluronic. And this retails about $45. That is a little bit pricey, but again, the concentration of this hyaluronic acid serum is very good. As you guys can see, it is very thick consistency and it's not runny at all. If you do see hyaluronic acid serum in a kind of watery consistency, that means that's not concentrated hyaluronic acid serum. Pure hyaluronic acid serum that is very concentrated are like this. It is in a thicker consistency and it's not runny, not like watery as well. And they all are very tacky and it's very sticky to the skin as well. So that's what you need to look for. And on top of this hyaluronic acid serum, you can use concentrated serums. Again, depending on your skin's need. I personally look for something that gives so much nutrients, something that hydrates my skin, moisturizes my skin, makes it feel comfortable, you know. It's because usually I do experience a lot of tightness after washing my face when I take a shower, or when I do, wash my skin with, harsh cleansers. It feels very tight and uncomfortable. And for me, like serums, like a double serum from Clarins is one of the best products, one of the best skincare products that I have applied on my skin. Since serums are very concentrated products, you do use serums after the toner, after you cleanse your face really well. After toner, you do apply these serums, 1 or 2 drops, depending on your skin's need or what the product suggests you to use, the amount. And then you press it on the skin. You do not rub it. I see a lot of people rubbing it on the skin, especially the double serum right here. When you get it on the hand, it comes in 2 different consistency. As you guys can see, it's 2 separate serums in 1 bottle. They do keep it separately in the bottle as well. And you have to mix it before you use it. So you have to kind of warm up the product, and then you press it on the skin. You can start from your forehead like that, and then go on your cheeks, on your nose, and then on your neck and décolleté as well. As you guys can see the motion right here. It's like 1, 2, 3. Don't forget the décolleté. The same goes with the other hand, 1, 2, 3. The pressing motion is the key. Don't rub the skincare product, because if you do rub it, even the cleansers, if you do rub it on the skin, it overstretches the fibers of your skin, and then it creates early wrinkles. It's like you're in your 30s and I'm like, why I have wrinkles? Maybe you are using the products a little differently. The application method is so important. Press, 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 press. I cannot stress it enough. Always press skincare products. The same goes with the eyes as well. If you do use eye serums on your eyes, make sure to press it. Don't rub it. Don't even do the circular motion like that, because it stretches your skin, around your eyes. Make sure to press. Warm up between your hands. Press, press, press. That's how you use the serums on your skin. And no matter what kind of serum that you use, make sure that you press it on the skin and you do use the serums after cleansing. If you want to use serums like hyaluronic acid or acid serums, use them first before using serums like thicker consistency serums like that. You can build the serums you know, on top of each other, depending on your skin's needs. Just follow from the thinnest to the thickest. That's what it is. All right, I think that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment below what you want to see next. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well if you do like skincare, if you are interested about skincare products. I always make reviews about skincare products on my channel. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. And I also like to handpick for you guys a video that I will suggest to watch, because hey, why not? All right, guys, you have a great day, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye, guys.